Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to display data with a pie chart using Microsoft Excel. First, select both the category labels and the numbers in your dataset. Then go to the Insert tab on the menu bar and click the pie chart icon. A drop-down box will appear and choose the two-dimensional pie chart. And just like that, Excel creates a pie chart for you. But is this pie chart the most effective way to display the data? I think we can use some formatting to help guide people's attention to the key information in the pie chart. First, click through the chart design gallery to see if anything catches your eye. I like this one because people can quickly see all of the information. However, I want to avoid information overload, so I'll delete the legend, which has the added benefit of making the pie chart larger. I will add a title for the pie chart by simply copying and pasting the title from the spreadsheet. I'm also going to change the font of the title as well as the font size so it supports the information in the pie chart rather than stealing people's attention away from it. Right now, the labels for each section of the pie chart are the percentage of the total sales. However, the sizes of the different sections of the pie chart already convey this information. So I'm going to double-click on each of the labels and then go to Label Options and select the value rather than the percentage. Then people will know exactly how many motorcycles were sold in each category. I'm also going to center the labels so that they're easier to read. To keep people focused on the pie chart, I'm going to get rid of the background fill color, and I'm going to use a color gradient to show people that each piece of the pie chart is progressively bigger. Moreover, I purposely use darker colors for the larger pieces to draw people's attention to this part of the pie chart. The sharp contrast between the darker blues and the white font of the labels helps people understand which type of motorcycle had the largest amount of sales. Now we've successfully created a pie chart that guides people's attention to the key information in the data set, which in turn will help them make a data-driven decision.